So I'm putting a RSX Type S center console to my AG. Fits really good. Looks good. I painted it black because it was tan. I can match the dashboard. And I'm gonna paint this as well. Looks good though. Fits perfect. Well, somewhat. I still need to see how I'm gonna put that metal piece in there. This back one, that cover's gonna get, but disregard the mess. But see, it's gonna be something like that. But I'm just gonna have to cut it like, maybe like here, maybe here, and do maybe like a U. Do like a U here, like this. Maybe like, I think I'm gonna do here. I think I'm gonna do like a U here, so it could fit with the molding of that. And like that, it should be covered there. Then I did a nut here. It's not gonna go nowhere. I'm gonna do another one on the side. There's one thing. I'm putting that just so it's kind of like an even gap. So when I bolt it up, it won't move, or else it's gonna hit on that side. I did put some spacers on the bottom of the e-brake to lift up the e-brake for clearance, because or else it was gonna hit right there. It was gonna hit right here when you put it down, and then the e-brake light will still stay on. But now I got it to a point where the e-brake light goes off and it's not engaged. So when you're moving, and center console fit good. That part I'm still finessing it. Disregard the mess. I'm gonna clean that up. I just have all these things. Those are all the receipts from the washers. I bought some of these washers to put under the e-brake bolts, so it could lift up the e-brake, so it could clear there. And then where's the other one? This is the bolts. I think they're 8 by 20, I think, by 35, I think, because you need longer bolts because the ones on there won't get. So I just bought these, and then I bought these washers to put, just to lift it up a little bit. And then yeah, so this is kind of the finished product. Looks really good. I just gotta cover that back piece. I need to trim it out. I still have my cigarette lighter. Some paint came off right here, so I'm just gonna have to touch it up again. But you see how I trimmed all of it? See if I can find the piece. So this is what I did. I trimmed it like that, so I could keep the holes to mount it in. Looks really good. No gap, anything. Perfect. Disregard the mess. LOL.